I'm Kavya and today I'm going to be showing you some fun braided hairstyles. Braided hairstyles don't necessarily have to be hard. A little patience and some practice can go a long way. But fret not, because all the hairstyles that I'm going to be showing you today are easy breezy and are really quick. So keep watching to see how you can add a fun twist to your regular 3-strand braid. But before moving on, if you are new to the Be Beautiful channel, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you know every single time a new video goes live. So for the first hairstyle, which is super easy but so wearable, all you're going to need is a rubber band and some basic braiding skills. So let's get started.
Create a neat side partition. Take a small section of hair like this near the partition. Start with a regular 3-strand braid. Take a small section of hair only from the section near the partition every time you braid. Once your braid looks like this, stop adding new sections and continue with the regular 3-strand braid. Secure this with a rubber band.
This is how the hairstyle looks. Super wearable, super easy, and it's great for a casual day out when you want your hair to do all the talking. For the next hairstyle, you're going to need a rubber band and a couple of pins.
Take a neat side partition. Take a section of hair like this and divide it into 3 equal parts for a 3-strand braid. As you start your braid, take a little hair from both sides for the first half of the braid to make it look fuller, and then continue it as a regular 3-strand braid. Secure the same with a rubber band. Now take a small section of hair and braid it as a regular 3-strand braid. Secure both the created braids in a neat low ponytail. Using your fingers, tease your hair slightly to create some texture. And pin it behind to the ponytail. Now go ahead and create a loose, messy bun. Arrange the position of your braids as you desire.
Now this is such a classy way to wear your 3-strand braid. If you are on the lookout for an elegant but super easy hairstyle, this is your go-to. For this hairstyle, you're going to need a couple of rubber bands and that's it. So let's get started.
Start by combing your hair neatly and braid the top half of your hair behind in a regular 3-strand braid. Secure the same with a rubber band. Pin away the braid for a bit and take 2 thin sections of hair and secure it with a band. Bring back the braid over that section. Repeat the same step by taking 2 sections of hair, but this time secure the same over the braid. You can either leave your hair like this or go ahead and continue it with the regular 3-strand braid. Accessorize the same with some fancy clips.
If you are on the lookout for a fun twist to the regular 3-strand braid and like to keep things super fuss-free and casual, this is your go-to hairstyle. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and liked all the 3 braided hairstyles. These look not only fun but exceptionally classy, so make sure you try them out. But before you leave, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you are notified every single time a new video goes live. Until the next video, bye!